Do drill sergeants have casual conversations with new recruits before the official start? Our bus arrived at basic training at 2 a.m. We sat in silence, terrified of the inevitable screaming we'd seen in movies. After 30 minutes, a drill sergeant finally boarded, looking exhausted. Listen up. Processing starts at 0600. Until then, I'm not officially your drill sergeant, so I'm going to tell you something important. We all leaned forward, expecting insider knowledge on surviving basics. For the next 10 weeks, I will make your lives hell. Nothing personal, it's my job. But right now, I'm just Dave from Ohio who's missing his daughter's birthday tomorrow. He sat down on the steps of the bus. Any questions? This is your only chance to talk to me like a human being. One recruit asked about his daughter, another about what we'd really need to succeed. For one blessed hour, we had a normal conversation with the man who would spend the next weeks breaking us down. As dawn approached, he stood up. Time's almost up.